Hello, we're back with another penny stock analysis video. We're glad to be here. We want you to listen. So let's get on with the video and see what we have in store for today. Today our stock analysis video will be on a company called Zamage Digital Art Imaging Incorporated. They trade under the symbol ZMGD on the pink sheets, and their website is www.zamagedigitalcorp.com, and upon visiting the website you will see that the company is involved with business oriented software and design. So they have a couple of subsidiaries. One is concerned with consumer relationship management on the software side, and then there's also Paraform Design, which they have just completed a merger with, and they're involved with providing a new way that saves a tremendous amount of money for companies to build signage, which of course is important, especially on large campuses and corporate grounds. The last few months for Zamage have been quite eventful and very exciting. So here are a couple of things that you should be aware of that they have released in news releases over the last couple of months about the exciting developments. So the first thing is that they've announced a share buyback program to reclaim 2.2 billion shares, which of course will limit the amount of float and hence strengthen the share price typically. They've completed a merger with Paraform Design, which I had just previously mentioned, and they're an exciting company with multi-million-dollar revenue potential because their way of doing business is so revolutionary within that field. And Paraform, because of their new relationships and their quick pace, they do have multi-million dollars of revenue in the very near future. And they've also released something called Parascience Systems, and this helps companies create custom signage solutions. So we can see that there's a lot of exciting things going on. Some of them are groundbreaking, some of them have patents. So Zamage is definitely a company you should check out and do some more research of your own. You all know that here at Penny Stock Analysis we always want to take a quick look at the charts, and that's exactly what we're going to do today as well. So here we've brought up the ticker symbol in the charts for Zamage, and what we see here is your price chart on the top and your volume chart on the bottom. And what I'd like to bring to your attention is in the green circle there on the volume chart. The volume has exploded over the last month, and even without this outliers here, the volume was always approaching about 5 million a day, as you can see previously. So this company has experienced increasing volume, and that's no surprise given the exciting company that they've just merged with. The next chart that we have here is the relative strength index, and although the price has gone down from about 008 to 001, that's no need to fret given that they have solid companies on board. So really take a look at this as a point and a time to buy this company at a discount. So we can see from the relative strength index that there's a double bottom, and that has created an upward trend, which is shown by that green line. So their strength is increasing on this stock, and it will eventually live up to its potential given the multi-million-dollar deals that will inevitably come due to the two mergers they have inside. And finally, what we have is the MACD chart. So you might be thinking that the MACD is heading in a downward position and has spent most of the last 6 months under the zero line. However, what I'd like to bring to your attention is how closely the signal line and the MACD line have been to each other for the most part of the last 6 months. In other words, that means that investors are holding hope for this company, and as such it would take just a little bit of a move to push this above the zero line, see some positive change, and start a very strong uptrend. And from what we can see here, it looks like the MACD will pass over the signal line very shortly and start that uptrend. Remember, Paraform Design is a multi-million-dollar producing company, and it should be in the next couple of years. So this is almost a bargain basement price to take advantage and make some money on this investment if you choose to do so. And that brings us to the conclusion of today's video analysis of Zamage Digital Art Imaging and their new business developments with Paraform Design, which is a revolutionary way for companies to design their signage, and it's more quick and effective than anything people have probably ever seen. So it's a really great company, groundbreaking technology, and they also have a consumer relationship management company inside of Zamage, which is always of good use. There's always companies that are looking for different ways to manage their customers, their resources, and different ways to take advantage of new business opportunities. So with that, there's a great future for Zamage. The stock has been beaten up over the last 6 months, but that's no reason to shy away given the solid business behind it. It's just right now at a discount price. So from that, we're done here from Penny Stock Analysis and PennyStockAnalysis.com. Invest wisely.